My name's Jake Henke. I work at JM Steel in Sinton, Texas. I'm a line lead and we're responsible for slitting and cutting steel from SDI. We actually received the master coils from SDI. They produce the whole coils. From there, we've actually slit the coils down to a width and it goes to a tube mill in-house for us. We form the tubes and the tubes go to Nextracker and they supply solar fields. We're a massive supplier in the steel industry. It's pretty cool driving down the road and seeing solar panels, and I know that we provided and helped process the material to help do that. I take a lot of pride in coming to work and trying to create a good, solid, quality product. I'm like a gypsy. I lived in Indiana, Alabama, and now down here. 2 parts of Indiana too. This job means a lot to me. My whole family's been in the steel industry. I'm actually 3 generations in the steel industry. The previous 2 generations are the best in the business, and something I want to strive to do is I want to make the 3rd generation the best generation.